Hello friends, I'm Deepika from Fluid Art India. Today I'm trying to do a Dutch pour and we are going to make a sequence of this canvas. The colors that I've used is Fevicryl. I've used white as my base color. Then I've used crimson red. This is violet, pearl lilac, turquoise blue and silver. Let's do it. So all my colors are ready and I am mixing a drop of silicone oil in each color. I'm not mixing in my white since it's going to be my base color. Let's mix the silicone oil. Now let's bring the canvas. Let's put the base color first. So my base color are ready and I am popping the air bubbles. So my canvas is ready. Let's pour the colors. So I'm going to take turquoise in my base. Next color that I'm pouring is violet. Pearl lilac. Crimson red, and the last color will be silver. Now let me put aside these colors and get my hair dryer. So I'm going to put my base color. love the color combination and the cell formation. Especially this is my favorite part. What do you think about this canvas? Do you really think so that I'll able to make the sequel of this canvas? See? I think the base color is popping up now. I love this piece. This is beautiful. Stay tuned for the dried result. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned.